Tired of your auto clicker taking a permanent vacation when you need to grind honey in Bee Swarm Simulator? Let's get that clicking machine buzzing again in 60 seconds. First things first, make sure your auto clicker is actually running. I know, sounds simple, but double check it's enabled and set to click at a reasonable interval. Something between 20 and 50 milliseconds usually works best. Next, head into Bee Swarm Simulator's settings menu and turn your graphics quality down. A lower graphics setting reduces lag and lets your auto clicker perform much more effectively. Now, in Roblox's settings, find the input method setting. Ensure it's set to keyboard or mouse. Sometimes switching between options can refresh the input and fix auto clicker detection issues. Okay, time for the tech stuff. Open your task manager, that's Shift on Windows. Close any unnecessary programs hogging your CPU or memory. Fewer background apps mean more power for your clicks. Finally, restart Bee Swarm Simulator and try again. If it still doesn't work, consider testing a different auto clicker software. Some are simply more compatible than others. Now get back to that honey grind.